Politricks watch. This is Serbi. No, this won't be a very long video because the intention is to, let's say, help speed up the process. Speed up the authorities telling the family of Deputy Chief Orville Moore, right, say it wasn't an accident killing. They've had enough time. Right. We even see the wife in the papers, right, asking for answers, so she want to know the truth. Right, they had a service, cause church people. So after them find him, people go to church and them, do them prayers and thing, and she made some statements. She wants to know the truth. The family wants to know the truth. It's a big. Right. We can't believe, let's say, people in the papers, high-ranking police officers saying it appears to be a serious accident. If you believe this man lost his life in an accident, we have an entire trailer load of unicorn to sell you. Because you're the type of person who would buy them. Now, when it was discovered, a spur tree, of course, the security forces, emergency respond personnel, emergency services, they went to the crime scene, accident scene, quote unquote accident. But civilians also, run go and go look. Enough people go look. And what people see don't add up. It's clearly an attempt to cover up the reality. I can't help but wonder why. Let's dismiss the entire accident story from now. So I have images and video of the crime scene. Not accident scene, but crime scene. Or at least his final resting place. I don't know if this is where, or that was where he lost his life. But that's no accident scene. It's all staged. Unicorn meat. Reverend Moore is propped up on a tree with a wire around his neck. Somebody prop him up on a tree. So it's like him in an almost sitting position with a wire pulling him back on the tree so his head is upright. That is why if you saw the video that was circulating first, with the drone, from the top down view, it looked like he's standing up. See, that is what confused me now. When I first saw that picture, I thought it was a policeman in the bush because, police investigators, that's how them dress, white shirt and tie and thing. But it wasn't an investigator, it was Orville Moore. And I was thinking to myself, why it look like him stand up? The drone is above, you can't see the top of the car, or you can't see the top of his head. That don't make any sense. Why would you see the top of his head? He should be lying down on his back. That's because them prop him up with a wire. Whoever killed this man tied him to a tree. In the picture and videos, his body is badly decomposed, flies all over. He's in a really bad state, because by the time they find him, days had passed. His body is swollen. Even his neck area you can see. It's gone over the wire them, so say the wire has been there from the very start. I'm not going to post the pictures, but I've seen enough to know say this entire story is unicorn meat. The man did not die in an accident. He's right beside the vehicle. Now, as me say, the authorities then would have also seen this because then go down there obviously go take up the body. Right, so why the whole accident theory still alive? Maybe them come out about, oh, we need to do something about that corner in Spur Tree to stop. And them can't say, oh, we didn't say nothing because, you know, we were trying to do a little, you know, investigation. And yeah, we're tired of that now. Unicorn meat. The people who killed Orville Moore know what they did. Right, and them know say, once them hear say the body was found, then them automatically know say, alright, the authorities them are going to discover him in that state with the wire on him neck, right, propped up against a tree, almost sitting, right. So them know them do, and for them hear them get fined, them know say, oh, them are going to see him that way. So it can't be no, oh, come out and try. So, well, the reason why we didn't say anything is because we're trying to keep that secret so we can go, you can't surprise nobody because them know them do him. And them hear say him get fined. It was all over the news. So right away, the family should have known instantly, say, at this one. The public should have known instantly, say, on an accident. This man is the Deputy Chief of Corrections, right, high-ranking official in a very important field. The public have a vested interest in this. Why are they carrying on this accident nonsense and them know it's an accident? So their silence can't be for anything operational. That's complete BS. It's unicorn meat. Now listen, fear for that then come out come say. Or maybe they must ignore this video completely. I mean, I'm a little YouTuber. Maybe one of the proper journalists them can go deal with it. Maybe they can get some answers. But stop going and tell people say it was an accident, quote unquote serious accident. This man was killed. I don't know if he was killed at Spur Tree or if he was killed somewhere else and them carry him there. Send the car over the gully, put him beside it. Now, if the immediate family wants the pictures and videos to use or something solid to prove, say, you know, the accident theory is complete rubbish, then them know if you get to me. And I know I'm talking about immediate family here. I'm not talking about wife and them people there. I'm not talking about cousins and them people there. Cousins and nephew and them people there. But you can send me the video and the picture of them. No. Man, immediate family. Now if they don't want it, then good luck. I hope it work out for them. Right. Let me say, if people not interested, then what am I supposed to do? But this man did not die in an accident. And the family say them want the truth. Can't give them the complete truth, but we can at least make them know say it wasn't an accident. This man, the Deputy Chief of Corrections, in my opinion, his autopsy results should be made public. I don't see why the family wouldn't want it to be public because, as I say, high-ranking official, his death is spooky. We need to know what's going on. What did this man know? Who wanted to get rid of this man? This is high-level business we are talking about. I've heard all kind of theories going around and whatever, but the cover-up part, show me say, it's a big thing. For somebody pay to get him out, a whole heap of money spent. A whole heap of money. Tell the people how that wire end up around the man neck. If an accident. When the crash roll over, fly out of the car, and then one wire fly out first, go around the tree, and then his neck drop through the wire. Come on. How does he get ejected at the bottom? At the hill which part the car stop? Or which part the car stop at this time get ejected by the passenger side? Not when the car was rolling downhill. When it fly over the hill and I roll, it not fling him out of the car there, so. It should have fling him not just out of the car but down the hill. No, the car come to a complete stop and in the right side on the passenger side. In the picture you can see the man's shirt still tucked in. Even in death, Orville Moore. Neat. You can tell this man was the man that would take them attire serious. Even in death the man looked neat. The man's shirt tucked in, tie, round him neck, same way. So how was he rolling in a car so hard and I get fling over till him get ejected and him shirt don't pull out? What kind of technique Orville Moore used tuck in for him shirt so? The man's shirt don't even look crushed up. Whichever technique Orville Moore used for tuck in for him shirt 9 pants, we need to use it, right? Or we need to teach it to school people and people who work in a like corporate Jamaican, because your shirt will never ever put out again. The man, shirt still 9 pants, right? Tie around him neck. This man was not, right? In a big roll and roll and roll till them get ejected. Right? Them take people, right? Dummy. Right now, right? Them that pull out something like this because them narrate the public. Right? Them know say, right? The public obsessed with entertainment and gimmicks, and I say, oh well, people are going to one day a story and gone back to what them really care about, what go on TikTok and them thing. Right? No, some people are look and some people are pay attention. No one know how the man rolls so much that, as me say, he's known to be a man and I left him seatbelt and him step in the car, put on him seatbelt. So this man, right, I roll so badly that him fly out of him seatbelt somehow. Right, fly out of the car, and by the way, him not fly through the windscreen. Right, but him fly, he get ejected from the vehicle. Right, so all that tumbling and him shirt them crush up him pants them, him shirt them pull out him pants, and him just the right side and carry neat as ever. With a wire around him neck. Then put the man in mud there. There's no accident, it's a crime scene. Deputy Chief of Corrections, and the response from the authorities them should make other people who are in similar positions in Ironman take notice. If such an obvious murder can be disguised as quote-unquote accident, because who knows who want to get rid of the man. They show you how easy it is for them try to get rid of you. The Deputy Chief of Corrections. Story never add up from morning. So, let me say, if the immediate family want the images, and let me say, just warning you, it's very, right, as you can imagine, you probably don't even want to see me in that state, but for the sake of having something hard in your hand, because this is not a theory, I feel say, I'm telling you, when you look on. So, them know if you get to me. Right. I can see this done on 2 day story now. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, don't know, more life. Vulture Squad, see you historically. Bless.